Welcome back, everyone. We've got our model put together now. Let's get in there and let's use this spline tool to create some voids in this material to try to lighten the load and also to save some material, make it more efficient, our design. And that's what this additive manufacturing is all about, is making things more efficient, more lighter, and we're going to show you how to do that. So let's use the spline tool. So I'm just going to click on new sketch, click on the face of that. We're going to do these two right here just so you see how to do it. Another thing is I don't want to be able to, see this. I want to be able to see all the way back here. And again, to do that, if you hit slice right there, it'll take you all the way back there. Ain't that pretty nice? All you have to do is just take that off. And again, this one has a hole in it, and it's going to follow. It's going to circle. It goes all the way through. It's a radius of 20, so it'll be diameter. Oh, my bad. It's two holes that are 10, so it would be 20. Alright, so now let's just get the measurements right on this thing. And it should be 20. And 20. So we got that all set, looking good. Oh, this diameter is 10. I put 20. Excuse me. So it should be 20 away from that. Actually, 50. So let's go back here and redo this just a minute. So we are 20 down that way. And we need to be 25 from the center, so I'll delete that off. From there, let's see if it'll let me catch the midpoint. Nope, that's okay. And we can't because we have to come in here and project geometry. So I can catch that, and probably now I can catch the midpoint, maybe. No. But I can do a line. Well, if it will project for me. Let's see, let's try it again. There. Okay. So I just want to catch me a line, catch that midpoint. And all I wanted to do that for is just to measure off of this into this. And it's 20, and it should be 25. That looks a little bit better, doesn't it? And of course, should be 20 from the top to bottom. That's perfect. So we'll go with that. Now I want to use my spline tool. Here's the spline, and you guys are just going to you're just going to make this void. Leave enough shell material on the side so it's heavy enough to withstand. You don't want to make it too thin, but you just come through here and start clicking. And you're building the spline, and I want to take it up through here. And you can see, just try to keep it as straight as you can up through here. We're going to start arching it around. And it's okay if you don't get it perfect. The thing of it is, you got to make sure it closes back on itself. But it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't matter if it's perfect, because you can go in here and you can actually move it and tweak it with those. The more points you put in, the easier it is to get it looking better. You can actually scoot them up, move them over a little bit. The more points you have, the easier it is to work with. But this doesn't look too bad. Just like that. And kind of get those in there a little better. So it doesn't look too bad. So we got that in there. I like that. And what I want to do is I want to mirror it to the other side. I'll mirror that and this. Mirror. And I'll use that little line I made earlier. Let's try that again. Got a little bit too fast there. Click this and this. Do a mirror and select my mirror line. Right there we go. Okay, and I want to finish my sketch. So now I can take it and I can extrude that. Actually, extrude, make sure you get in there. Go up here and catch that and that. And we want to cut it. And again, you can grab your arrows and pull it, or you can actually just tell it cut. And distance, I'm going to go all the way through this thing and okay. So as you all see there, in that, you've got that. All you have to do is do the same similar thing down here to this portion of it on both sides, and then do one through this rib, and you've got it. If you need help, just let me know.